What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. And I want to show you guys how I cash out instantly with this site, PrizeRebel. Alright, and I'm gonna show you what I do in order to get the money. Well, I want to show you my balance first. You see at the top I have 586 points. That's equivalent to $5.86. I'm going to cash that out today, and I'm going to show you proof because the payment is going to be instant. Alright, so let me first just briefly kind of go over you what I do with this site. And if you're interested in signing up with this site, the link to it will be in the description. Sign up. You'll get a bonus for signing up, and then you can do exactly what I'm going through in this video. So first of all, your daily survey right here. That's probably the best thing you can do. 73 points for each one that you do. Also, Samplicious is one of my favorites on here. If you go, I'm gonna show you. I really go to surveys here to show you kind of what it is, what you'll get paid for doing the Samplicious, because right there doesn't show you how much you'll make per Samplicious. So I want to show you, give you direct proof of how much you're gonna get paid. So let me go to the surveys tab. My computer's moving kind of slow. So there it goes right here. So you see here your daily survey right there, 73 points, 73 cents, basically what you're going to get. And they have other surveys you can do as well. And you see there 11 minutes, $118 points, which is, $1.18. And other ones, I mean, they have really good value for the amount of time you're going to spend on the survey. Look, two-minute survey is 62 points. So, I mean, you really want to pay attention to your surveys in here, but always scroll down. You'll see more in doing that one. Now, then you go over to Samplicious, click on this tab, and they're going to show you surveys like this, your daily surveys, Samplicious, 85 points for each one. And then you can do some extra surveys. These surveys take no more than 10 minutes, and you're going to get paid 30 points. No more than 5 minutes, 15 points. So really good value in doing that. All right, so that's that. Now you see here they also have other survey tabs you can pay attention to. The gold surveys, that's another one that's good. I'm just gonna go and show you my favorite ones to do. Again, in this tab they got the 73 points one, so you can kind of check out all of these, but like I said, my favorite is the Your Surveys, the Samplicious, and the gold. If you're ever struggling with those surveys, always jump over to Peanut Labs, because Peanut Labs are really easy surveys. It's just the surveys, like 5-10 minutes, don't take a long time, but they don't pay as much all the time as the other ones. So that's why I kind of say, do the Your Surveys and Samplicious first and the gold one. So that's basically what I do with the surveys. Now you have your inbox here, and you get promo codes. They'll sometimes send you a notification saying, hey, enter this code, and you'll get, little like 5 points for entering a promo code. But I just want to show you your email. Your mailbox here. You want to pay attention to this because they're going to give you sometimes good surveys in here. Like this one I got 146 points. I didn't do it because I don't really always pay attention to it, because sometimes I just jump on here and get started with the surveys. But you always want to kind of check your mailbox, because sometimes they'll give you surveys that are really directed towards you, and you have a higher chance of qualifying for it. So that's one thing I want to show you. Now let me show you the payment that I'm going to get. You see here the rewards, clicking on that, and I'm going to get paid instantly. I'm going to show you the proof and all that kind of stuff. First, let me show you what you can get. You can get PayPal, you can get Amazon. They have lots of gift cards on here. You basically can just kind of scroll down and you'll see what they have. You can kind of order them out of what you want. Like you want grocery, I'm sure you have like Walmart or something like that, electronics. Just lots of different gift cards, lots of different options. But of course, the two popular ones are always PayPal and Amazon, and you can definitely get those here. And I'm going to do PayPal. So let me click on, I'm not going to do that PayPal because I got 586 points. I want $5.86. So I'm going to do a custom PayPal. So all I'm going to do is basically just type PayPal in on here, click go, and you're going to let me do a custom amount right here. So I'm going to click on that. And how much do you want to redeem? I'm going to click, I'm going to put 586. So this will require all my points. So I'm going to claim this item. Are you sure you want to claim this prize? I'll click OK. And just kind of waiting for it to load right there. So you see here, bam, it's been sent to your PayPal. Please note there can be a delay. It can take up to 30 minutes before you see your payment. So let's see how long it takes, because usually it doesn't take that long. You see there is 2:32. So let's see how long it takes to get my payment. Let me pause the video real quick. All right, so you see here is 2:46. So it took about 14 minutes. Not really instant, but getting paid within 15 minutes still not bad. So I'm gonna show you the proof right here. Just got the email right there. I'll clear it up real quick so you can see it. It's kind of fuzzy. I'm trying to do the all right, there we go. PrizeRebel reward 2:45 p.m. So I'm gonna click on that to show you. 586 was sent to you October 9th, all that kind of good stuff. So you see here, it's legit, pays you within 15 minutes. Don't have to wait that long for your payment. So I highly recommend you guys sign up for this site. Link to it is in the description. Sign up today. Start making real money. You see here the proof. Pays you fairly quickly, a lot quicker than most sites will. So sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.